The Deceptive World of Web-Based Adware. My thanks to Emma McGowan for her informative article. You can find her article at the link listed. If you've ever been online, and well, you're watching this, so obviously you have, you've probably crossed paths with something called web-based adware. Let's take a moment to unpack that. Web-based adware can be seen as those uninvited guests at a party. They pop up unexpectedly, can be a bit overbearing, and have a knack for overstaying their welcome. More than just a minor annoyance. They can bog down your browsing speed and, on occasion, might be after your personal info. According to the Avast Q2 2023 threat report, it's evident that adware has made quite a splash. Here are the top 3 most common types of adware our researchers found during the first part of 2023. The too good to be true win. Picture this. Out of nowhere, you're informed that you've won an exclusive prize. It's exciting, right? But there's a small hiccup. You can't remember entering any contest. That's because you didn't. It's a scam. This adware technique often involves engaging in virtual games or lotteries. You might even flaunt well-known brand names to gain your trust. Once you're hooked, the winning moment arrives, and suddenly they're asking for personal details to redeem your so-called prize. And if a friendly chatbot suddenly emerges from the sidelines, trying to guide or reassure you, approach with caution. The adult content trap. Adult content, with its inherent allure, is another tool in the adware arsenal. They bait users with promises of exclusive chats, videos, or other enticing content. But here's the thing. Once you're on the hook, the demands begin. They might nudge you toward registration, or even worse, direct you to age-inappropriate content without thorough checks. It's always a good rule of thumb to think twice before diving in. Free movie bait and switch. We've all been there, settling in for a relaxing movie night only to be interrupted by unexpected hurdles. Some adware platforms tease you with glimpses of trending films, creating a sense of immersion. But just as you're getting into it, they hit the pause button, urging a registration, a click, or sometimes a survey. Rather than returning to the movie magic, you're often left navigating a maze of more ads. We know you just want to navigate the web in peace, but think of the digital realm as a vast ocean. There's beauty, adventure, but also some sneaky currents ready to catch the unaware. But with a bit of knowledge and a sprinkle of caution, we're well equipped to sail smoothly. Here's to exploring the vast online expanse with confidence and curiosity. Stay safe, stay secure. Don't accept any wooden nickels, and don't click on any unsolicited links. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.